guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have October's little bee box to show you. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So October 2024 little bee box just arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys know, I have now been doing this one every other month because the box is normally geared towards my friend's little girl, so then I can give it to her, get some photos, show you guys, put them in the video. And my friend actually moved an hour away from us one way, so I asked to do every other month to give us, you know, a little, like, to make it easier for me to see her, to give her the box. And if you guys are wondering, like, well, didn't we just see this last month? If you thought that, you are correct. Basically, a little bit of a backstory. I was having a conversation with one of my friends and I was talking about like my chickens and my expansion, and she's like, oh, well, we have a new addition to our family too, but it's not an animal. Now, my friend has already raised her children. There's no little ones in her house, but unfortunately a family friend lost the rights pretty much to their 18-month-old little boy and was put into her care. It might be a permanent situation. I'm not quite sure yet. It's not really my story to tell, so I'm not gonna go into a whole lot of details. But basically, like, right now has an 18-month-old living with her, and again, it might be a permanent situation, which would be amazing for the little one because then he will never have to see any neglect or anything like that ever again, because now he's in great hands with her family. But either way, I thought it would be a good idea to reach out to the owner because, again, she's starting out from scratch. She already raised her kids. Now she has the little one. So I reached out to the owner and I asked if maybe my next box, if we could just mix it up a little bit and do a little boy box, 18 months, and I'll mail it to my friend so then she can have it for her now little one. So the owner was actually kind enough to be like, well, I'm normally used to sending this every month, so how about I do your every other off month, the boy box? And I'm like, oh my goodness. So I don't know how long we're going to have two different ones, but for right now, I will have a boy box and then the girl box, a boy box and a girl box. And I'm so excited to show you a little boy box because I've showed you a girl box this entire time. So I'm so thankful to the little bee box that sent this one to me so I can send it to my friend so it can help her out and the little one. And I'm just so excited because, again, he is now in the best of hands. So this one is going to be for her new little 18-month-old, and I'm just so excited to see what's in here and then to show you how he's going to look like in the outfit and stuff. I'm so excited. So it always comes in their little bee box. These boxes are constructed so well, you can save them for storage, that kind of thing. So I love the boxes. When you open it up, we do have a sneak peek right there. Okay, you guys, so right on top we have the card which says, "It is heaven sent" is the theme for October. As you both embark on this beautiful journey together, may every moment be filled with laughter, sweet memories, and endless love. Cherish each cuddle, each tiny milestone, and each little coo. Those are the blessings that make life so incredibly special. And it does go over the items with the pricing on the side, so let's go ahead and dive in. I'm so excited. So first up you have is the Nubby Twist and Sip Soft Straw Cup, no spill. So he will have his own little sippy cup. That is so cute. So you have that. And that's another great thing though about this box is it's all age and gender appropriate. And they go with the season. So if it's like holidays and stuff like that, the outfits might go with the holidays or the season. And they actually take everything into consideration when they build the boxes. So it's age appropriate. So he's 18 months. Sippy cup is what he would need, not like a bottle, you know what I mean? So I just love how they put these boxes together. Now we have it has like a little rattle on top. It's a chamomile and honey, conditions hair and softens baby skin. It's a body wash and a shampoo. And like I said, the lid sounds like there's a little rattle. That's kind of cool. You have like a little twofer when you're washing the hair and body, they can play with the lid. So here is that. Oh, sorry. This sippy cup right here is valued at $8.99. And then the baby wash and shampoo is $5.95. So there's the 2 items. Up next is a book. It's Sesame Street Make Believe with Elmo. Look at how cute. I love that they put books in there too, because again, all age appropriate. So now he can have a little book to go through. This book here is valued at $7.49. But that is just so cute. Look at little Elmo. And the last page right there. So there is a Sesame Street Make Believe with Elmo book. How cute. Then there's always a free gift for the mom. I think that's always so cool because it's not just for the baby. There's always one little gift for the mom. It could be anything and everything under the sun. This month we have a Lash Flash 2-piece mascara. There's lengthening and volumizing. So this would be for the mom. And it says free gift right on the back. Again, I love that they do that. It's not valued on the card or anything like that. It's just a little special gift for the mom. Oh my goodness, this outfit, you guys, that's a little bow tie. Oh, shut up. That is a little hat. Oh my goodness. Look at how adorable. Okay, so it's fixed on there. Like, you know, some of the hats like this will have like a button and you can open them or close them. But this one's fixed just like that. Look at how cute. And then this, oh my goodness. So the back of the shirt has like these little deers on it. And then it has the built-in vest and it looks like there's like a little handkerchief right there and the bow tie. This is the cutest little shirt ever. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to see the photos of him wearing it. And then the pair of pants that goes with it are right here. And these should be 18 months. Yes, 18 months. Oh my goodness, look at how cute that is though. And then with the matching hat, like get out of here. That is so cute. The 3-piece boys set is $44. But oh my goodness, that is so cute. I cannot get over that shirt. That is just the cutest thing ever. So that is everything for the October Little Bee box geared towards an 18-month-old little boy. You have a 3-piece outfit with a hat. That is just so cute. You have the sippy cup, you have the body and hair shampoo, you have the Sesame Street book, and then the gift for the mom. All right, you guys. So now that is everything for this specific box. Let me know, did you like seeing a little boy box? Oh my gosh, I love baby things in general. So boy or girl, I'm just so glad now I get to show you 2 different types. And I'm so glad that they're doing this so I can actually help my friend help, you know, the little one as well. So I just love that. If you want a little bit more information about the Little Bee box, I will let you know right about now. I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty. That will save you 30% off your very first box if you are interested. And then don't forget, they ask you those several questions when you do sign up so they can make the box accordingly to the child that it's going to. And I love that. So if you want to do month to month, that's the gold term. It's $51.95 per box. If you want to save some money, you can go to the silver, which is the 6-month term, bringing it down to $45.95. Or the platinum would be a whole 12-month term, bringing your box price down to $43 per box. That's an amazing savings. They also do have a one-time gift box. I love that because if you know somebody having a baby shower or a baby's birthday or just because, you can send a one-time gift box. It's $65 with free US shipping. That box does include the shipping, so $65. You can ship it anywhere in the US. If you're not going to attend, you can ship it straight to them and they'll have it. If you are, you can ship it to yourself. You can bring the box with you, wrap it, whichever you would like to do. But I love that you do have that option as the one-time gift. You can select newborn, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, or 24 months. And then you can choose the color of pink, blue, or neutral. And then they will take all of that into consideration and build that box accordingly. You don't have to worry about what do they need at this age? What do I need to get them? Nope, Little Bee box will take care of that for you. So I love that. You have the 2 options, the subscription box or the one-time box. They will all be listed down below in the description box if you'd like to go check them out with my code SheCrafty to save you that 30% off your first box if if you are interested. If you want to check out other companies, other discount codes, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. So now that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular box. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.